It was at this point that I realized this wasn't a game to Jason.
Hey, what's going on, gang? Have I showed you these yet? Link down in the description of the video. Right now, I'm off to my buddy Jason's house. Got a little surprise adventure planned for him today. It's gonna be fun, and we're gonna take you guys along. Let's go.
Good morning.
Morning.
What are you doing?
You know.
First stop is Jason's.
Morning.
And actually, next stop after here is
Coffee?
coffee. Lots of coffee.
Thank you. Now that I look back at it, I definitely should have had more coffee. Now on to Target.
Target for supplies.
I'm really not sure why we had to go all epic here. Let's just carry on with the shopping. So I bring you, carry my stuff.
Yeah, I'm good for something.
Supplies, check. Off to the next location. See you there. All right, so our original plan was to drive through this little path where that yellow gate is back there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's locked. It's never been locked.
I wasn't here last time.
Well, we're gonna package these guys up and throw them in our bags.
Is that your target for the day?
Target. Bullseye. Yes.
Dude, that's pretty sick.
Thanks, man.
Jason just filmed an Insta story while we were driving up here. It came out pretty cool. I'm gonna link his Instagram down below. You should definitely check him out. You got a YouTube yet, Jason?
Yes, but no.
Definitely check him out on Instagram. That's where he's at. We've made it, folks. Mount Tom ski area, now abandoned.
And this is the point where Jason turned on me.
Hey, tell me whose bright idea it was to climb all the way to the top of this mountain.
His idea, not my idea.
So, anything for the shot, guys.
Yeah.
Although he's gonna be doing all the hard work.
Yeah, anything for the shot, like fly the drone or hold the camera.
What'd you guys think? That was pretty cool. We had drones, we had Nerf guns, and we had epic slow-mo in an abandoned place. 3 things that you can't live without of.
Super cool, a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. Thanks, guys. My name's Craig. I make videos about stuff and things, and this is Jason. Check him out, Just Plain Jason. Links down below. And Everyday Dad out.